She wants to go get it. She wants to go get it.
Hi guys. So your fave nurse is back. So I just filmed a hair tutorial for you guys. First of many, maybe, if you'll like it, you know. But so anyway, right now what I'm doing, I'm on my way to, it's not a brunch no more because I'm late per usual, but we're going out. I think Midtown Houston, so anyway, so I will catch y'all there. Do y'all like my hair? I mean, what did I use? Style booster or style edge control? Style something. Like it's less waves because I normally use like gel, but nah, that's old baby. We gotta use edge control on all the hair. I use up the whole jar, honey. But anyway, that's enough of that. But I will see you guys shortly. Okay guys, I just made it. I'm about to go inside. Let's go find Britt because I don't know where she's at. Hi.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. You're so
Oh my god, give him the leg.
I know, get her fine ass.
Okay, hair is popping. Hold on, ma'am.
Oh,
hair is popping. Not too close.
Not too close.
Face beat though.
Hey.
Second time she's been on my vlog.
I know.
Second time. Oh, sorry.
Alright.
Sorry. Okay. We're kind of all. You know, I get this compliment almost every day. I'm obsessed.
Britt,
I'm gonna tell
you.
This is me today, girl.
I mean, I ain't gonna call you out, but this is not all you. But
what you mean? Oh, the hair.
I've never seen you.
She messing up my makeup.
Britt square back again.
She all
It's
like.
not messed up. I'm lightly.
Oh, I filmed a tutorial on how I did this, which was a struggle.
Oh, you're so cute. Okay, all right.
This is real cute, but food is garbage.
Honestly, Yelp deceived us.
Does Yelp lie?
Yelp lied.
No,
They
Yelp
had
don't lie. Yelp never lies.
they lied for this place.
Half the stuff that's on my chicken and grits.
Not here.
Not here. The chicken sandwich. Not here.
Wait.
When the chef left, their own chef left,
Yeah.
he took his recipe with him.
Yeah, what'd y'all end up getting?
Some French toast that was not that great.
Janky? Okay, great. Because people, did you hear that? The braid is now janky at the back.
Oh, her.
What in the hell?
I know we're gonna wait till Britt gets here.
I was
okay.
slow about
I get
the
it.
most, so I'm sorry.
So that's not leaning forward. Take one, let me know how it is. Just kidding. I love you. I love you. I won't. Well, I'm not. The camera's still rolling, guys. Okay.
Okay, that's like I could see her nose.
No, it's
like, like she just zoomed.
Britt knows what's up, but she's just playing right now. It's okay. This is how you make me feel. Makeup. You see what I can do? I'm like,
Exactly.
Britt, that's right. Damn, but I look beat. Okay, I am beating that shot. Okay, honey. I don't even like my makeup, letting my eyebrows grow out. Okay.
I know. She done drunk all the damn. Oh, right?
Yeah.
Very Cali. Very Cali.
Baby.
All right.
Comfortable.
sweatpants. Imagine you came in for like the last 5 minutes and you're still in all of this. Like you've been here the whole time.
Britt. It takes effort to be me. Yeah,
She's had one too many.
She had one drink. She had one drink.
Goofy.
And she over it. Like,
Done.
she's over it. Hold on. I didn't even look. The lone one left behind.
No, because these people, they're not gonna fucking hit you, bro. And it's still
That's
daylight.
true, Britt. But you was about to
daylight.
kill me. I didn't even look before crossing the damn
It's still
street.
daylight.
That's how I got hit when I was little. I didn't look when I crossed the damn street.
I'm mad. You definitely said that first. Wait, I didn't look.
I didn't fucking look and I just fucking walked. Ooh, cute. What if I don't have my ID? I'm kidding.
Again?
I was.
I was gonna hit you with the again.
Yeah.
I know, because I don't know what I'm doing. So you do you, and I will hold it together. I will. So funny. Let me see. The money is calling, baby. I think I see this aesthetics for you.
You're getting the aesthetics, baby.
I need to start paying you.
Britt, you could be my assistant.
Girl, what? Be who?
As long as I ain't catching the money right now. Get to the She asked us if we wanted avocados on the taco. I was like, hell, but yeah. Who the on the leg?
Yes, ma'am.
Station. New location, baby. We're trying to go to Belle Station.
Talk to Nadine and I.
Okay, it's pumping. But I don't dance, so hope y'all not are waiting for me to dance.